Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix when the JBL 215BT they are not pairing and they are not charging, and how you can fix the solution. Maybe it's going to work out. So for the charging, you can try different cable or different the different cable. Maybe it's going to work out. And for the pairing or charging, what you can do is turn it on. And then you want to hold the plus and minus button for about 5 seconds together to reset the JBL. And that's what you can do, right? So this is what you can try to do. So turn the plus and minus button together for about 5 to 7 seconds when it's going to turn on. And then you just pair it again. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.